Okay. Yes. So, good evening, all. Okay. Good evening, everyone. Okay, it's fantastic evening to everyone. Okay. So, I heard that you guys were asking about madam, how to pursue BSc and all. It's fantastic. Okay, it's nice to hear that you guys are exploring the options. Okay, so I just want you to think different. That's all. Okay, apart from engineering and medical, you should know what all other things are there. Okay, you explore the options, you have a lot of time, you're still in ninth standard. Okay, you should know all the options, and then when you reach 12th standard, along with your parents, you decide which is best for you. Okay, do not just keep only engineering or medical as the option. Okay, fine. So with that, let us start. Okay, let us start today's class. Let us start today's class. So I've already received so many messages, so let's just read those messages first, respond to these messages, and then we'll start today's class. I have something wonderful to show you. Okay, so Suraj, Shravana, then Janvi Patil, Sanvi Patil. Oh my God, it's like rhyming names. Okay, then Yash. Okay, Varun, Samruddhi, Nidhi, Priyanka, Sanjana, Pranamya, Aryan, Nishant, Sneha, Janvi ma'am, Diya, Shri Krishna, Vinayak. Okay, everyone. Okay, everyone. Good evening. Okay, everyone. Good evening. So wonderful evening to everyone. So Vinayak is asking, so how am I doing? So I'm doing good. I'm doing good. Okay, life is wonderful. If it is not, then you should make it wonderful. Okay, everything is in our hands. Okay, it all depends on how we take it. Okay, so I hope you also had a great day. Okay, I hope we also doing good. Then Aryan is asking, is botany interesting? So Aryan, it depends on your interest. Okay, if you like all this biology stuff and all, then you'll definitely find it interesting. Okay, so it depends. It depends from person to person. Okay, so Sean is asking, which is my favorite color? My favorite color is blue. Okay, and Sri Krishna is asking a story. I thought story was only for the boards class, man. Like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Okay, but let's just ask. Okay, so I can have this Chotu story. Okay, so how many of you want to have Chotu story? Small Chotu stories, which will just get over in today and tomorrow. That's all. 2 episodes. If you want small Chotu stories, then you can click on yes icon. Okay, because I don't want to keep it on suspense for so long when Papa Man, you guys. Okay, so a lot of suspense is also not good. Okay, so I just want to tell off the entire one. Okay, cool. So some of you want, okay, then we can definitely have Chotu stories. Okay, then everyone. Okay, yes. So good evening all. So good evening all. So with this, then let us start today's class. Okay, so remember today is a foundation class. So we have to learn about dice. Okay, which we were doing in the last class. Okay, we have to continue dice. Okay, now last class, if you remember, so we had decided that we will see every day one career option, yeah, like one video related to the colleges that you will be taking in the future. Okay, so last class, so this is what we were doing, but apart from this, so apart from this, if you remember, I told you about a story of me versus Harsh. Okay, so how intelligent choices or wise choices can really change your life. Okay, and Harsh decided to do fashion designer at some 8 years ago. I'm talking about 2012. Okay, so when I took engineering, he took fashion designing, and how you're successful and all that. Okay, so then I also mentioned that the government of India has established so many institutes, okay, to deliver the excellent quality of education in other fields. Okay, not only engineering or medical, in other fields also. Okay, like this, so many institutes have been there. So over here, so I told every day we'll see one institutes. Okay, last class I showed you about NIFT. Okay, so today I thought let me show you my college only. Okay, so this is NITK Surathkal. Okay, so this is where I studied. Okay, so my engineering. Okay, so it's the NIT that is there in Karnataka. Okay, in Karnataka has one IIT, that is in IIT Dharwad, which is a new IIT. It will take some another 5-10 years to get established. Okay, then next what we have is NIT. Okay, which is in NIT Surathkal. Okay, so this was the recent fest. Okay, that took place. So I just want to show the recent 2020. Okay, so 2020 cultural festival. Okay, so we have the cultural festival that is called as Incident, which is South India's second largest cultural festival. Entire South India, it is the second largest. Okay, its name is Incident, South India's second largest. Okay, second largest cultural festival. Okay, the largest cultural festival is IIT Madras. Okay, so that's like fantastic. It's called Sarang. Okay, so I'll show. I've been there. It's like mind blowing. Okay, so this is Incident. So we have a budget of close to 1 crore or something. Okay, so rupees 1 crore budget almost. And how do they spend this 1 crore? How do they have fun? So let us not just simply say it, let us see it. Okay, I'm going to show you. This is how our college festival will be there. You people will be having in your school something called okay, so you see, that is how our festival runs. That is where we spend so much of money. Okay, so it's all just money from sponsors and all that. Okay, so all you have to do is just make sure that 9th standard, 10th standard, 11th standard, 12th standard. Okay, so these 4 years, only these 4 years, only these 4 years, study bloody hard. Okay, not simply hard. You should study bloody hard. Okay, so if you study bloody hard, then the rest of your life is just going to be awesome. Okay, so you have no idea how much fun that you'll be having in the college. Every moment in the college is a bliss. If I ever get one more chance, I would die to go back to my college again, man. Okay, so those 4 years were the amazing years of my life, each and everything. In the beginning, when I went to the college, I had this homesickness. Okay, so I had to, kind of come back to my home like once in a month. Then once I got adjusted to college, oh my God, even during vacation also I used to stay there, do some internships, do some projects, just be in college campus. That's a fantastic feeling. Okay. So these 4 years, okay, you have to forget all the entertainment and everything and dedicate yourself 1000%. Okay. Dedicate yourself 1000% and you have to study very, very hard so that you are in the top. Okay, so once you're in the top, then there's no stopping you. It's all to build the momentum. You may ask, sir, wait, 12th standard, sir. I will come to 12th standard and 12th standard, I'll study hard. It's not going to work like that. Okay, it's a combined package. Okay, you have to start studying very hard now only so that by the time you come to 11th and 12th, you will adapt yourself and you can elevate your studying to next level. 12th standard, that time if you start working hard, then it is too late. It is too late. Competition is very high, I'm telling you. It's too much competition. Okay. So I hope some of you will also get into such amazing colleges and your life will be a fantastic experience. Okay. So with that, I'm going to start today's class. Okay. So this was my college. Okay. This was NITK Surathkal. Okay. So where you saw Incident, South India's second largest cultural festival. The only college which a private beach. It's an amazing college. Trust me. Okay. So now, in the next class, okay, we'll look into some other colleges. And we'll see like what are other colleges offer. Okay, so NIT Surathkal is just engineering. Okay, all these IITs and NITs, they're just engineering. Okay, today we saw NIT. So tomorrow I'm going to show you IIT also. And then we'll move to other institutes. We'll come to IISc, ISER, then IIST, NID, and all the other colleges one by one. Okay, cool. So with that, okay, coming back to dice. Okay, so last class, if I'm not wrong, I was doing this dice. So where did we complete dice? Okay, so till how much have we done dice? Can someone just type and tell? Okay, so I remember I had given one homework also. How many of you did homework? How many of you did homework? Okay, so those who did homework, can you please click on yes? Okay, so that worksheet that I had posted in the group. Okay, so how many of you completed? It's okay if you haven't completed. Okay, but at least I want you to make sure that you practice. Okay, so now I'm going to just quickly tell the answers. Okay, so all those things, so that you know how to attempt these questions from uh, worksheet. Okay, so I'm going to continue here about the worksheet that I had posted. So today I want to start a new topic called open dice. Okay, so I have this box. Okay, I have this box with me. So suppose if you consider this box itself as a dice, when you open this, okay, when you open the dice, when you take a scissor, cut it, just open it, everything, how does it look like? We're going to solve such type of questions today. Okay, so first let us just complete the worksheet. Okay, yes, so I hope this was the thing that we were doing. Okay, so question number 4. Okay, question number 4. Okay, so real quick, so who can tell question number 4? Question number 4. So read the question carefully. Okay, so read the question carefully, and I'm going to launch the poll. And you have to select the correct option. You have to select the correct option. So let us see. Okay, if you can remember the topics that we have learned in the last class, and if you can select the correct answer. Okay, anyways, I will also explain. Okay, I will also explain. I know most of you might have already forgotten things. Okay, but still, I will also explain. Okay, what is the correct answer for this? Okay, like simple, easy. So they're asking, observe the dots on a dice in the following figure, and how many dots are contained on the face opposite to that of 4. So you just have to tell what is the opposite of 4. That's all. Okay, opposite of 4. Opposite of 4. So I've launched the poll. Okay, you can select the correct option from the poll. Okay, so I'll give another 10 seconds. Okay, so please solve. If you did not solve, then I'll only solve. No worries. Okay, it's a very simple question, easy question. I'll give you a clue. Okay, I'll give you a clue. What is the clue? So the clue here is case 3. Okay, hint case 3, where two numbers are same. Okay, two numbers are same. What are those two numbers? Notice carefully. This is one number and another number is this. Okay, so two numbers are same. So what happens when two numbers are same? So I'm going to show you. When two numbers are same, at least after telling the trick, you should definitely get the answer. Okay, see here, when two numbers are common in both the dice, in this dice, if you remember, the common numbers are 6 and 5. So whatever the third set of number is there, they become opposite sides on their own. So over here, the third set of numbers, that is 1 and 2, become opposite sides. Okay, so in another example also I've shown here, if A and B are kind of the same numbers, then the opposite sides will be C and X. Okay, opposite sides will be C and X. Okay, this is the logic. If you understood this logic, click on the yes icon. Okay, if you understood this logic, if you understood this case 3, click on the yes icon, because the question that we are solving, that is based on case 3. Okay, that is based on case 3. Okay, so now coming back here to this question, case 3, the two numbers which are same, that is 1 comma 5. So then what is the third set of number which is present that will automatically become opposite sides? Okay, so what is the opposite sides? The opposite sides will become 2 and 4. Okay, 2 and 4 will become our opposite sides, and in the options given A, B, C, D, so the correct answer will be our option A, okay, which is given as 2. And on your screen now, I've shared the result. So 43% of you have selected the correct answer. That is option A. Okay, that is option A. And others have made mistake, but in the next question, you please correct yourself. Okay, so the correct answer will be option A. So if you understood this question, click on the yes icon. Okay, it's all simple, easy. If you understood this question, click on the yes icon. Okay, so now I hope slowly you are kind of getting the trick. Okay, open dice questions are easy. Okay, open dice. This is closed dice. Open dice questions much more easy than this. Okay, so we will do open dice once we solve all these remaining questions. Then we can go for open dice. So next question is, two positions of a cube are shown below. When the number 4 will be at the bottom, then which number will be at the top? So that is this question. You have to find opposite side of, you have to find the opposite side of 4. What is the opposite side of 4? Okay, so look at the question. Okay, look at the question carefully. Look at the question carefully and decide. Okay, the hint I'll give you, clockwise. Okay, so do clockwise method, and you will get the answer. Okay, do clockwise method and you will get the answer. Okay, so this is the question. So read carefully. I'm going to launch the poll. ABCD on your screen. Okay, and after some time I'll also give you the clue or the hint of how to solve. Okay, so clockwise method you should adopt. Okay, so use clockwise method. Okay, use clockwise method. So remember clockwise method and use the clockwise method. Okay, so last 10 seconds. Okay, so please vote. Last 10 seconds, please vote. So I help you again. Okay, if you do not remember the clockwise method, sir, I forgot, sir. I know clock, but I don't know clockwise method. Okay, so look at the number which is common. Okay, look at the number which is common. Okay, so the number here common is 1. Okay, right here. Common number is 1. So now you have to go in this direction. So over here in dice 1, so I have, after 1, I have 4 and 2. Okay, so if I go in this direction, so I have 1 next to 4 next to 2. Okay, now same way if I do for this, if I do for the second dice, so again I'll be having 1. After 1 comes this one. Okay, that is 3. And after 3 comes 5. Just like how the clock rotates, you should also go in that direction. Okay, so if you go in that direction, then you will get like this numbers. Okay, so in this, then you have to select like this. Okay, so now you can see that the opposite number of 4 will be 3. Okay, the opposite number of 4 will be 3, which is nothing but our option A, which is nothing but our option A. And when I look at the poll, okay, it's very nice to see that 73% of you have selected the correct answer. Okay, fantastic. That means slowly you are also understanding the tricks and you are able to implement the tricks. Okay, very nice. So that was question number 5. Okay, so next quickly we'll go to next question. So from now onwards they are giving 3 positions of the dice, but trust me, this is even easy. Okay, shouldn't get scared. Okay, it is a simple easy one. 6th question, try. Okay, I will also help, don't worry. I will also help in between. 6th question, you try. First 1 minute I'll give it for you only for trying. Use your own skills and try to solve. Okay, so I have launched the poll. You can select the correct answer from the poll. Okay, it's nice that many of you are sending messages and telling the answer. Very good, I appreciate it. Okay, but you also select in the poll so that we know the complete data, how many of you are getting correct and how many of you are getting wrong. Very simple, very easy. Give a clue. I'll give a clue. The hint, I'm gonna write here hint. Case 3. Remember case 3. 2 numbers are common. 2 numbers are common. Okay, so this is my first hint. I want you to focus on this dice and this dice only. Okay, those 2 dice are sufficient for you to get the answer. You have to find what is the opposite of the number 2. Okay, carefully watch dice 1 and dice 3 and find the 2 numbers. Find the 2 numbers which are common. Okay, if you notice, this 1 and 4 are common. Okay, 1 and 4 are common. Okay, correct. Now what is the another set of number which is there? Another set of number that is there. Okay, so that is, you have another set of number, this 2 and this 6. Okay, so it becomes easy. You can use other method, clockwise method also, and you can get the answer, no problem. Okay, whichever takes less time for you to solve, you should go with that method. Okay, you should be fast. Okay, less time you should take. Okay, so our answer will be opposite sides of 2 is 6. Okay, opposite side of 2 will be 6. So over here, so I have decided to go with case 3 so that it will be easy for me. Okay, I am not worried about this dice 2. Unnecessary extra information for us, which just kills our time. That is why in the 3 position dice, okay, 3 positions of the dice, you should have that skill, or you should have that intelligence to choose the 2 dice from which you can solve it very easily. Okay, from which you can solve very easily. Okay, so the upcoming questions we'll see the techniques, don't worry. Okay, so over here, as you can see, the correct answer will be option A. Okay, the correct answer will be option A. And when I look at the poll now, okay, when I share the result on the screen, okay, 74% of you have selected option A. Okay, that is very good. That is very good. So if you understood this question, click on the yes icon, because from here onwards, you will see 3 dice. Okay, 3 dice, where you should take 2 dice for answering the question. Another dice, that is extra information for you. That is just to confuse you. Don't get confused. Okay, so good. So now let us see the next question. whether you can get this also correct answer, whether you can score more than 70% of you can even select this correct answer in the next question. Let us see. So question number 7. Question number 7. Again, they are telling 3 different position of a dice are shown below. How many dice, how many dots lie opposite to 2 dots? Okay. So now they want you to find the opposite side of 2. Okay. Opposite side of 2. So now you use your skill and solve. Then after 1 minute, I will also give you the hint. Okay. Now I will launch the poll. You select the correct answer from the poll. Okay. Select the correct answer from the poll. After 1 minute, I will also help you. Okay. Yeah, very good, Siddharth. Yes. Okay. So everyone, Priyanka, very nice. You're answering. Very good. Select the answer from the poll also. So don't forget. So question number 7. Easy, simple question. Don't take tension. I'm so sorry. You have to find opposite side of 2. Opposite side of 2. That's all. So try to just keep it consistent. Out of 3 dice, try to use 2. 2 is sufficient for us. Okay. 2 is sufficient. Using 2 dice only, you can tell the answer. Okay. Now, I'll give you the hint. Okay. For those who couldn't solve, hint clockwise method. Okay. Hint clockwise method. One number is common. Select the common number. Okay. So use dice 1 and dice 2. Okay. These 2 is sufficient. Dice 1 and dice 2 is sufficient. So what is the common number? So the common number is 6. Okay. You see here. Here also I have 6. Here also I have 6. Okay. Now I adopt common number 6 and I use the clockwise method. Okay. I will use the clockwise method in dice 1 as well as dice 2. So we know clockwise method. We should go in this direction, clockwise direction. So I will have 6. After 6, this 2 comes, and next this 4. Okay, so this is my clockwise direction for dice 1. Okay, so similarly, in the dice 2, so again the clockwise method. 6, after 6 comes 5, after 5 comes 1. Okay, after 5 comes 1. So here we are interested. Okay, so we are interested in finding the opposite side of 2. So I will circle this. Okay, and you can see that opposite side of 2 will nothing be 5. Okay, opposite side of 2 will be nothing but 5. Okay, so this is one of the way of solving. You can use some other method also to solve. Whatever method you use, the answer will be same. That is the beauty of all this mathematics, logical reasoning and everything. Okay, so this was just my analysis. If you want, you can take another position of dice and also solve. Okay, so you can use so many methods to get the answer, but the answer will always be the same. Okay, if you want, try in another method. Okay, try. I have taught you all the techniques. Use any technique, solve in any way and check it out. The answer you will get is 5 only. Okay, the answer you get is 5 only. Okay, now when I see the poll, oh my god, this is an interesting poll. 90%, man. 90% of you got the correct answer. That is fantastic. Okay, that's fantastic. This is like next level. You guys are reaching the next level. Okay, so very good, very good. Okay, try to have other methods of solving also. You check it out, you verify. Any other method you use also, you will get the same answer. Don't worry, get the same answer. Okay, so that was question number 7. Very good. Okay, that was question number 7. Now question number 8. Okay, let us see question number 8. Okay, so now question number 8. Again, I will launch the poll. Use your skills and select the correct answer. Okay, then after 1 minute, I will also help. Okay, I will also help. I will also give you hint and clue. So let us see if you can get it correct this time also. Okay, so what you have to do, so you have to find the opposite side of 3. Opposite side of 3 you should find. Okay, whichever easy method is there, okay, whichever takes you less time to solve, take that method and solve. Okay, easy method. Take easy method and solve. Okay, and those who are sending me message also, so I tell everyone, you select the option from your poll also. Do not forget. Do not forget to select option from the poll also. Okay. So now everyone, so try. Let us see if you can solve this without my help. Without my help also, can you be able to solve? I'll be happy. So this is question number 8. You have to find opposite of 3. Okay, you have to find opposite of 3. So select from these 3 positions, whichever you think as the best, and solve. Okay, best and solve. Okay, cool. So I think many of you have selected. Okay, cool. So now, of course, here also you can use more than one method of solving. More than one method of solving. So I will start with something simple. Okay, I'll start with something simple and easy. Okay, so which will help us to select the answer. Okay, which will help us in selecting the answer. Okay, so what will I do? Okay, what will I do here is that out of those 3 positions, so I'll start from the simple way of solving. So I will select over here. I'll select over here dice 1. Okay, and dice 3. Okay, some strategy I'm using. Okay, notice carefully. Strategy I'm using. So over here, I have this number 3 common. I have number 3 common. Okay, then I have number 2 common. I have number 2 common. Okay, so watch carefully. I'm just adopting one strategy. Okay, you can also solve using other method, but any method you solve, our answer, your answer will be same only. Don't worry. So when I take these 2, okay, that is case 3. So I will notice that this 4 and this 1 will be our opposite sides. Okay, that 4 and 1 will become our opposite sides. So I'm going to write here opposite sides 4 and 1 over. Okay, this is from case 3. So next what I'll do, I still did not find answer to my question. My question was about opposite side of 3 dots. Opposite side of 3 dots. Okay. So over here now in the next case, so I will adopt. Okay, I will adopt the technique. I'll adopt the technique of this first box, the second box. Okay, the first box and the second box. Okay. So let us see what will happen, okay, when I adopt first box and the second box. Okay, first box and the second box. So over here, the number which is common, okay, the number which is common I have here is 2, I have 2, I have 4, I have 4. Oh, we could have started with this only, man. Shit. Okay, it would have saved our time. Okay, so this 1 and 2, okay, I have common numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4 common numbers I have. Oh, straight away I'll get the answer, man. Easy, pacha. So over here, the opposite sides, if I take, so I will get this 3 and 6. Straight away I'll get. Okay, you can just take only 1 and 2. 1 and 2 sak. Over action let us not do. It's very simple and easy. We'll take dice 1, dice 2. This dice ignore, not required, unnecessary. Okay, dice 1 you take, dice 2 you take. Okay, then what you should do, select the common number. Common number you have 2, common number you have 4. Then what else is there? We have 3 and 6. 3 and 6, simple, easy, over, and the correct answer that we have is C. Okay, let us just keep it simple. Unnecessary other method not required. We need answer, we choose the best method to get the answer. I thought let us do something different this time, but not required. It will just unnecessary take time. Okay, so if you take clockwise method and all that, so not required. Okay, so why chuma take unnecessary risks? Okay, so and let us see question number 8. Okay, so how many of you have solved question number 8 successfully? So I'm going to end the poll and let us check the answer. Question number 8. And over here, I'm going to share the result. Oh, this time only 53% of you got it correct. Okay, so why? You got confused or what? Okay, so it was simple, only easy. Case 3. Okay, next time, please get it correct. Okay, last question we have. Let us see if you can get this last question correct. Okay, last question. So let's take the most simple and easy method to solve. Last question. So question number 9. Okay, question number 9. So let us see question number 9. Okay, question number 9. So use your skills and solve question number 9. I'm going to launch the poll. Question number 9. Let us see if you can get this question number 9. Launch the poll. So on your screen, choose the best and the easiest method. Okay, you have to find the opposite side of 2. Okay, you have to find the opposite side of 2. Okay, so choose the best and the easiest method. Okay, this is question number 9. So they have given just 4 dice. You take the best case in which you can solve it easily and quickly. Okay, easily and quickly. Question number 9. You have to find opposite of 2. Okay, only this much is there. This is the question, that's all. The dice is thrown 4 times and its 4 different positions are shown below. Find the number on the face opposite the face showing 2. How will you solve? So let us see select the easiest way to solve. Okay, easiest way to solve and the quickest way to solve. So I'll give you a hint. Okay, if you want, I'll give you a hint. The hint is use case 3. Always this case 3 is useful for us. Okay, and consider dice. These 2 dice you take. Okay, these 2 dice you consider and solve. Now I think everybody should get the correct answer. Okay, You just take this dice 2 and dice 3, okay, and solve. Apply case 3. The common method, the common number, we have common number 3 and 4, common number 3 and 4. Okay, so now, so 3 and 4, 3 and 4, common number. Okay, so we have next, if you look at this, case 3, 2 numbers are common. Then the other set of number which is there, that automatically becomes our opposite side. Okay, the other set of number which is there, that automatically becomes our opposite side. Okay, so that means the opposite side of 2 will be 5. That's all. They have asked to find out opposite side of 2. We will focus only on that. Other unnecessary things let us not do. It will just waste your time. We have to save time, because in competitive exams, one question, only 60 seconds. Okay, if you cannot solve it in 60 seconds, that means you will be losing points, losing marks. Okay, so now out of the options, so which is the correct option? Let us see the poll. How many of you have selected the correct answer? I'm going to end the poll and see your answers. And I'm going to share the results. A very good, man. Fantastic. Okay, so from last time to this time, great improvement. 83% of you selected the correct answer. 83% of you selected the correct answer. So very good. Fantastic result. Okay, so that means, so now you are able to solve such questions. I'll post another worksheet today. So please practice that also, so that your confidence level increases. So over here, the correct answer is C. Okay, so the reason why we are taking case this dice 2 and dice 3 is that, okay, when you have less time to solve, you should choose the best method. Okay, you see, in the previous question over here, I tried to solve using some other method. It was just killing time. Okay, I was wasting my time by choosing some other random things. The reason why they give 3 dice, 3 positions, 4 positions, so that to confuse you. Okay, by confuse you. In all the other cases, you see, only 2 dice means aram se you can solve. But when they give 3 and 4 dice, your smartness will come into the play. Okay, how smart you are. Over here, dekho, this dice I didn't use only. I don't want extra. Okay, extra. Just because in the pizza shop, they'll give you all this origami and chili flakes and sauce, doesn't mean you have to use it. If you want, you use it. Do not want means go take it to your home. Okay, this is also like that only. Okay, extra information they will give to confuse you, but you don't get confused. Okay, in this question also, I'm not using this. I don't want. As per my trick, as per my method, I just need only 2 dice, which I've selected dice 2, dice 3. You want to choose other options, you want to take other dice and solve, take other dice and solve. The thing is, you will waste more time. That's all. You will get answer. Somehow you'll get answer. But you find the time. Check out the time. How much time you will take to solve? How much time did you take to solve using my method? And how much time did you take to solve using other method? Okay, and just try using other methods if you're able to select the correct answer. Okay, and just make sure that your method is correct. Oh, don't apply wrong method and get wrong answer. Okay, fine. So this was our worksheet number 1. Okay, so simple, easy worksheet. Okay, so based on this closed dice, so today we have the new topic, that is open dice. Very simple, very easy. So before I go to the topic, I have something interesting to show you. Okay, so what is that? I'm going to show you now. Advertisements were entertaining. Now it has become irritating. Okay, because every time YouTube, when I open, bloody two ads, not one, double ads they will show. Okay, so now it is kind of become too much. Okay, but anyways, so what we used to do is, we used to use this ad, instead of getting it for irritating purpose, we should make it into an entertaining purpose. Okay, and develop our skills. So using ad, so let us build our observation skills. Okay, observation skills or recognition skills. Okay, so what I will do is that was an old ad. I know most of you were not even born that time, or maybe if you're born, you were just in nursery school or something. Okay, so I will do one thing. I will play the audio only. Okay, I will play what I will play. I will play audio only. You recognize the product name. Okay, so you recognize the product. Okay, you should recognize the product. Okay, so how many of you are ready? I'll start with something simple that all of you have seen. Don't wait. This generation, this era only I'll start. Okay, let us see how much your brain can recognize things that you just keep watching. Okay, so I'm gonna play now. So let us see if you can identify. Okay, so there you go.
बेटा मेरी छड़ी उठा दोगे? जी मास्टर, थैंक
यू. Okay, so next time, whatever you watch, no, whether it is YouTube or anything, wherever anything you watch, listen to the things carefully. You listen to the things carefully. I want you to build your observation and listening skills. Okay, next time you check it out. Some crazy things we'll do in the class. Okay, fine. So this was just the ad activity. Okay, so now we have to do our open dice. I'll just quickly start with open dice. Okay, simple, easy concept. Okay, this is our open dice. Okay, as the name indicates, okay, open dice means you should open. Okay, so how many of you know open dosa? Open dosa. Okay, dosa is crazy. Dosa is of so many types. Okay, so open dosa is one of the type. Open dosa is like this. How many of you have had open dosa? Click on yes. Click on yes if you have tasted open dosa. Fantastic, man. Open dosa. I love all dosa. There's open dosa, masala dosa, plain dosa, kali dosa, onion dosa, so many dosa. I think I should open one dosa restaurant and be a waiter there. Okay, so many types of dosa. This is an open dosa. Okay, cool. So next time when you go, just try open dosa. Okay, so over here we are learning open dice. Okay, not open dosa. We are learning open dice. What is this open dice? So I have the box for you. Okay, so this is, assume that this is the dice. Okay, with all the numbers, this is the dice. So what I'll do is that I will open this. Okay, I'll open this dice. This is like this, but I'll cut. Okay, I don't have scissors now. Okay, so I'll cut it. Okay, I'll cut it and I'll completely make it two-dimensional. Okay, so how? So let me show you an example. Okay, so I will just write it down. Okay, and show you an example so that you can carefully recognize and understand. Okay, so this is your observation skill. Okay, so now when I cut open, okay, so when I cut open like this, so I'm gonna make here another dimension like this. Okay, so are you understanding? So this thing, when I cut, when I open like this, when I make it two-dimensional, so it would look something like this. Okay, where I'll put the numbers. I'll put here A, B, C, put here X, Y. Next, put here 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So are you understanding what is happening? Okay. If you understood this, okay, if you understood open dice. Okay. So if you cut and open, okay, if you cut and open, you have to imagine, man. You have to imagine. If you have something box like this, you cut. Okay, cut and see. Okay, this is one of the way. Open dice, we have almost 5 types, 5 cases. This is case 1. Okay, this is just case 1 where you cut open like this. Okay, cut open like this. We are just interested in the opposite sides. That's all. Okay, we are interested in the opposite sides. Okay, I'm going to write here opposite sides. What will be the opposite sides? This A and C will be the opposite. Imagine when I take it and fold it, okay, take it and fold. So this A and C will become my opposite side. You have to imagine, okay. A and C will become our opposite side. Opposite side, A and C will become our opposite side. Okay. Next, so watch out. I'm going to take this color. Okay, you see X and Y. Okay, X and Y will become our opposite sides. X and Y will become our opposite sides. Okay. Next, what happens? What is remaining? Next, what is remaining is this B. Okay, in the middle. Okay, so watch carefully what I'm going to do. This B will become opposite side. When I fold everything now, what comes on the top? Okay, when I fold this dice, what comes on the top is this, where I had number 1, 2, 3, 4. Are you understanding? When you open that, this part which I'll now use this red color. So this red color that I circle now, that will close up on the top and it would look like this. Okay, it would look like this. Okay, so that is what I am trying to explain. Okay, so this is our top side. Okay, bottom is B on the top. Those triangles will come close and it will form like this. Okay, it will form like this, the opposite side of B. Okay, so if you understood this, click on the yes icon. Okay, if you understood this, click on the yes icon. Okay, simple, easy. Okay, so you please do this activity. You cut the paper like this and try to fold. Okay, I'm going to write here activity. Okay, cut the paper in the above mentioned shape. Okay, and next, fold it to produce a dice. Okay, so fold it carefully so that you get a dice. Okay, try this. It's going to be interesting. Okay, so these are you just have to recognize the opposite dice. You just have to recognize the opposite sides. That's all. Okay, one example we'll take. Let us see if you understood or not. Okay, so watch carefully what happened. Okay, one concept test for you. One concept test. On this open dice, one concept test. So again, I'm going to make here the dice same. This is case 1, simple, easy dice. Okay, so over here, I'm going to mention the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and next I'm going to write here A, B, C, D. Okay, now I want you to tell me what is the opposite side of 5. What is the opposite side of 5? Very good. Sanvi was quickest to answer. Fantastic. Followed by everyone. Oh my God. There's some like 20-30 messages in fraction of a second. Fantastic. Okay. As you saw here, look at the opposite sides carefully. Understand the opposite sides I have put in color. Okay, so notice the color carefully. So over here, the opposite side of 5, absolutely correct. All of you have mentioned it wonderfully. Correct answer. Opposite sides of 5 will be 4. Okay, see, I'm using blue color. 5 will be 4. Very good, very good. Now, next one. Opposite side of 2. Okay, what will be the opposite side of 2? Opposite side of 2. What will be? Very good. Priyanka was quickest to answer. Okay, so then followed by Manoj, Nidhi, Ruturaj, Sinchan, everyone. Siddharth, Shreyas, everyone. Very nice, very nice. So opposite side of 2. Opposite side of 2 is gonna be these two triangles. These two triangles, what is there? When they fold up, it will come on the top. Okay, so the two triangles like this, which is having A, B, C, D. Okay, that is my opposite side of 2. Okay, then what else is remaining? Opposite side of 1. What is opposite side of? Very good. This time Shreyas was quickest. Oh my God. You guys should be sent to the Kaun Banega Crorepati, the fastest finger first. Okay. You will beat those contestants only. Okay. So fast you type. That's like amazing, man. Okay. So the next one, opposite side of 1 is going to be 3. That's all. Okay. Very simple. Very easy. Okay. Simple and easy. Bacha. Okay. Bacha questions you will get. Okay. This was about case 1. Okay, this was about case 1. Okay, if you understood this, click on the yes icon. Okay, if you understood this, click on the yes icon. Okay, if you understood this, click on the yes icon. Okay, simple, easy. Okay, simple and easy. This was case 1. Okay, case 1. Okay, very nice, very nice. Now, I have 2 options for you. Either I can do case 2, okay, right here. I can do case 2, or I can do Kahoot quiz, or can do story. Sorry, 3 options. Okay. So what I'll do, I'll quickly launch a poll. This is for option A. This is for option B. This is for option D. Sorry, the option C and option D. Option D also I'll give, man, Papa. You just want me to give a break. Sir, leave me, sir. I will have break. That is option D. Okay, I'm going to launch the poll on your screen now. You select the options. And India is a democratic country. I go with the majority. So whatever you people select, we'll go with that. Okay, whatever people select, we'll go with that. Okay, and first, so last 5 seconds. Okay, please vote. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, and close. Okay, close. End of the poll. Close the poll. And I'm going to share this on your screen. I think you can see the result. So majority of you have selected with option C. It's a landslide, majority. Okay, with 63% of you going with story. So I think I should go with that. But I really appreciate this one person. There's one person who selected for case 2. Okay, fantastic. I love your dedication. I really appreciate. Okay, but of course, you are in absolute minority. Okay, but still I respect your opinion. But I'll not do case 2 today. Okay, case 2 next class. Okay, some of you want to go for break. So option D. So those who want to go for break, you can go for break. Class is over. That's all. I just Chuma tell story. Okay, if you want to listen, you can listen. No compulsory, no force. Okay, cool. And some of you have opted for Kahoot. Tomorrow I'll do. Don't worry. Tomorrow I'll do. So now I'll go with the majority. Okay, so that is the story. So I just want your help quickly. So did I start any story last week? Did I start any story last week? Last week, did I start any story? Or today will be the first episode of Chotu? No, that Aryan is telling Oija board is for, like the boards class. That is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Oija board. Okay. So today we'll I'll be starting a new story. I'll be starting a simple, easy story. Okay, cool. So now, real fast. This is something that you can relate it to your school. Okay, so hence, I'll just go back to school, back to school, back to school. Okay, this is the story. So back to school. Okay, so I'm gonna write here. Back to school. Okay, so this is episode 1. Episode 1. So the name of this episode, very interesting episode. The feeling. Okay, class. Okay, I'll continue this in the next class. Okay, what happened? Okay, how did things get started? Okay, so all these things. Okay, so I'll tell you next class. Okay, next class is the end. That's all. This is chotu episodes. Okay, chotu episodes. So what happened? Okay, so between me and her and all those things. Okay, next class. Okay, thank you so much. You guys have been amazing. Okay, you guys have been amazing. If you like the class, click on yes. Okay, if you did not like the class, click on no. So tomorrow I'll make it much more interesting for you. Okay, so now I think sir is already here. And sir will continue the class. Okay, so over to Mohit sir. I'm ending my class. Thank you. See you all. Okay, see you all. Thank you so much.